Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to center your crosshair. Easy method. Open your game settings and set a visible static crosshair as a reference. Then position your view model and camera so the weapon aligns with the reference crosshair. Practice small micro adjustments while strafing slowly to find consistent center. Use a training map or aim trainer for repeatable checks and save your settings when satisfied. Repeat this drill daily for steady aim improvements. Start by picking a crosshair color and size you can see in any map. Tweak thickness and gap so the center dot or intersection stays obvious at range. Adjust view model X, Y, and Z until the weapon visually lines up under the crosshair without leaning. Test by moving through corners and peeking to check consistency. Keep changes small and compare before and after to measure improvement. If you like this guide, please subscribe and tap like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you view money, and it pairs humorously with practicing focus and discipline in gaming. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Warm up with slow strafe drills to reinforce muscle memory for centered aim. Combine snapshots to center targets and smooth, follow tracking to maintain alignment during movement. Use both static bots and moving targets to simulate real encounters and identify errors. Record brief clips to watch where your aim drifts and correct view model or crosshair settings accordingly. Consistent short sessions beat long, irregular practice for steady gains.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.